Just got the SHULOOK men's waterproof hiking shoes. These were sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Just came in the box. I'm getting ready to put them on, drive them in the car, everything. See how they do. Then I'll come back and I'll give you my opinion. I wanted to do a test on these for a couple days before I actually told you about them or what my thoughts are about them. So today I took them out and hiked with my dog with them. We went out on the old golf course up where I live. It's got some trails, and they were great on blacktop. They were great on concrete. They were great through the wet grass. This morning there was wet grass. It's got this kind of mesh stuff on there that keeps the water from getting in. And we've got some leather on top of here, which actually dried out pretty quick once we got back into the sun. We've got rubber soles on here, which I think are kind of cool with the red and black. And I had great traction in the grass, the dirt, and on the concrete and the blacktop. They arrived safe and packed well. I think the colors are actually really cool, the red and the black. They were very comfortable. These are very lightweight shoes. They're breathable too. When I was out hiking this morning, it was about 80 and humid, and I had no issues. I felt nice and cool on them. And I noticed on day 2, they're starting to break in a little bit better, and they're really feeling comfortable. One of the things I liked about them too is they're not too high on my ankle, but they're also not too low on my ankle. That was kind of cool. The laces are really nice. They're nice, easy to tie. They stayed tied the whole time. Almost forgot to mention, with the SHULOOK hiking shoes, you also get an extra set of laces. I wear a size 13. I got a size 13 sent to me, and they are a size 13. Yesterday, I wore these to a home inspection, and I ran all over a house, up, down, all over the place, up and down stairs. I drove with them in my car. They felt good. They're nice and lightweight. They're kind of a little bit airy, man. It's kind of hot and humid here right now, but they're not hot at all. I'm going to point out that they need to be broken in a little bit. So I'm on day 2 here, and they actually feel a little bit better than they did yesterday. So they're breaking in. Got them out here, more of a woodsy setting today. And I'm thinking these are going to be great shoes for dog walking in the winter too, actually. Good traction with these rubber soles. They look great. I really like these shoelaces too. They're great on grass, great on blacktop, good on hills. Can't tell you how good they are on rock climbing because I'm too old to climb rocks, but so far so good. I love them. So if you're in the market for a lightweight, waterproof, anti-slip hiking shoe, check out the SHULOOK shoes. Pretty cool. I like them. Check them out.